Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth look at EverBank, and I recommend watching till the very end to know the final verdict on if it's worth it or not. Alright, so let's begin with the video. EverBank, formerly known as TIA a bank, changed its name in July 2023 following the sale of a majority stake to private investors. While you can bank online, all of its branch locations and its NFL stadium, home of the Jacksonville Jaguars, are in Florida. Not to worry if you're not near a branch location because customers can access more than 100,000 free ATMs. This review details personal banking options offered by EverBank. All rates and fees are current as of March 2024 and are subject to change. No matter your balance, a yield pledge checking account will earn you 0.45% APY. These have a minimum opening deposit of $100. Its standard checking account, EverBank Checking, requires only $25 to open. With a standard checking account, you won't earn any interest though. EverBank's high-yield savings account is called EverBank Performance Savings. It offers an attractive 5.15% APY no matter your balance, no monthly fees, minimum balances, or minimum opening deposits required. EverBank's savings rates compared to current top rates. Although EverBank is an attractive choice, there are banking institutions with higher interest rates. For comparison, see the rates from these competitors. ACD holds your money in a savings account, earning you a specific interest for a specific term length. If you take your money out before that term is up, you'll almost always pay an early withdrawal penalty. EverBank requires a $1,000 minimum deposit and offers term lengths up to 5 years. EverBank often provides the liquidity you want with a checking account, but offers the yields of a savings account. Think of it like a hybrid. With EverBank's MMA, you get 4.3% APY for your first year and then a tiered APY that's still competitive after that. EverBank offers just one credit card, earning rewards and carrying an annual percentage rate of 15% to 29%. Through its diversified investing account, you can invest in precious metals, foreign currencies, and market-safe CDs. It's important to note that precious metals are not Federal Deposit Insurance Corp., and these investment options may require deposits anywhere from $100 per month to $20,000 as a one-time deposit. With branch locations only offered in Florida, EverBank must create an incentive for customers to use its banking services elsewhere. It does this by offering online banking, which is also offered by some of the best online banks and credit unions. Its mobile app is currently still serviced by TIAA. Its phone hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you need to speak with an agent because of a lost or stolen debit or credit card, it has a dedicated team available 24/7. Its diversified investing hours differ slightly. These are Monday through Thursday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Friday 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. While customers have access to their account via a mobile app, the app is still serviced by TIA. EverBank itself has not experienced any breaches. However, EverBank recently merged with TIAA, which was involved in the MOVE data breach, which affected 2.6 million leaked social security numbers. Whether this incident served as a catalyst for its sale and subsequent rebranding to EverBank is yet to be determined. With such a brand new transition, there is very little in the way of consumer reviews about EverBank. Reddit users all seem to be asking, is this too good to be true? One user mentioned finding reviews where EverBank froze a user's account for months with little in the way of resolution, although we were unable to verify this claim. Another Reddit user says they faced delays in receiving their debit card during the TIA transition and encountered restrictions in linking their outside business account for automated clearinghouse transfers. EverBank is ideal if you're looking for a high-yield checking account, savings account, or CD and online banking. However, if you want to keep all your transactions in-house, such as mortgages, insurance, and brokerage accounts, you're better off finding an alternative. EverBank is still in a transitional period where it's finding its footing and may offer more features in the future. Alright, so I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.